Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will show you how to make this clean about us section. Alright, I will show you step by step how to design a professional about us section in your Canva, whether you are building your personal brand, portfolio or small business. Your about us tells your story. Alright, so I will show you how exactly to do this. So grab your Canva. So right here you will navigate to your about us, then you expand the section a little bit. Alright, so under here will be a learn more button. So you go to element, you select a button shape, select this, then we'll write it learn more, learn more. Let's reduce the size to 20. Then you drag it down and make sure it's centralized. Alright, you watch the lines. You watch the lines. Alright, I think it's better now. Now let's. Okay, perfect. So we have designed the button. So next will be to design the section of our vision, our mission, and our statement. All right. So you head over to a new tab. You search website. Then you select the blank website. Select create a blank website. All right. So the first section here, which is this blank template here, or this blank section, will be for our vision. Let's duplicate this to 3 sections. So we'll have to redesign the color. Come back to the design, go to pictures, click on the color background or background color. Then we'll select this color or copy the code. So let's copy it. Then head back to the other tab. Then we'll change the background color of this. You go to colors. Then you paste the color code. All right. Then you select it. This is a light gray color. It's a light gray. Okay. All right. So let's design the first section, which is our vision. So you head over to upload. You click on upload. Then select an image. So I'll go with this. All right. So you adjust this. So you adjust this to the left. All right. Now to add the vision content. So you head over to text, click on add a heading. All right, this is our vision. Okay. Then for the body, you go to add a little bit of body text. Then go to ChatGPT and prompt it. Give me an e-commerce description for our vision, mission, and statement of my gadget. So you can see the prompt there is very accurate. So you copy the first one. And you paste it here. So we have to make this look clean. You adjust it a little bit. All right. Then position this to align with the text. Let's group this. To group this, you highlight it and click group. So I will duplicate this. To duplicate it, you press Ctrl D, or you right click, then you select the option to duplicate it. All right, so we'll change this our vision to our mission. All right. I need to adjust this. Let's adjust this. All right. Okay. So let's get back to ChatGPT. Copy our mission description. Then paste it here. All right. I think this is perfect. You group it. So let's head back to upload and select an image. I'll go with this. Then let's adjust the image and make it to fit in. Always observe the lines from the edges. All right. I think this is cool. This is cool. Okay, you can see everything is coming together. So we'll duplicate this again. This time around, this will be at the right. Okay. So let's change this to our statement. I have to adjust this. Okay. So let's head back to ChatGPT and copy our statement description. All right. So replace this. Okay. Adjust this a little bit. Okay. All right. I think, should I? Okay. Okay, I think this is more better. So let's choose an image. I have to make sure this aligns with the Canva. Okay. All right. So we have to link this tab to the other tab that has our hero section, the about us, our featured products and collection, review section, newsletter subscriber, and a footer. So let's add a text down here. Let's add a text. We'll add a back text down here. All right. So head to text, add a little bit of body text. Then this will write it back. Back. Okay, drag this to the bottom right. Okay. All right. I think we're good to go. Okay. So let's preview it and see how it looks on desktop version. I think it's okay. It's nice. I think it's perfect. Okay. So let's publish this. You go to publish website. All right. You click on publish. Now it's publishing. It's publishing. Done. Published. So we'll copy the URL. We'll copy the URL. Then you click on copying. Copied. Now we'll head back to the next tab, which is this. Then we'll link the URL to this button. All right. So you click on it and right click, go to link, then you paste the URL. All right. And once you paste the URL, you click on done. Link added. So we've added the URL of the other tab to this learn more button of our about us section. All right. So let's preview this. All right. It's working. Let's publish this for it to work. So publish this. Click on publish. It's taking a bit of time. All right. Published. So we'll copy the URL of this. Copied. Then we'll have to head back to the other tab. All right. So let's close this. So let's head back to the other tab that we published. Then click on edit design. All right. Now let's link the URL to this back text here. So you right click, then you click on link, then paste the URL. All right. Then you click done. So it's been linked. So we'll have to publish this for the second time. All right. You click on publish website. Then you republish it. It's publishing. I think we're done with this. So let's close this. Okay. I think everything is in order. So let's test what we did. All right, you open a new tab, then you paste the URL of the website. All right. So you copy it and paste it on a new tab. So this is how it looks here. It's very nice. So let's click on the learn more button. See what it does. Okay. All right, perfect. So you can see we did a very great job here. This is how to design your about us section like a pro. All right. So let's check the back link. Let's click on the back. Perfect. Perfect. This is a top-notch website and about us section. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe, and turn on the notification button so you don't miss out on the next tutorial. You can also check out my other videos on homepage to see my other videos. If you have any question, drop it on the comment section. I'll get back to you. Thank you.